Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing Bollinger Bands. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, now that we have all that out of the way, let's get into testing the Bollinger Bands. As usual, we have picked a random pair, which is the Euro New Zealand dollar here. And we are going to pick a random time frame. Let's do about 2019. Let's do 2001. 2019, why not? Let's see here. January. Okay, there is 2019. The take profit is 110. And the stop would be 165. Of course, those are designated by the average true range. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it has been discussed in other videos. That is why you need to go back and watch those videos, so that way you understand what is happening. So, alright. How to trade Bollinger Bands. As usual, there are multiple different ways of trading an indicator. The one, as far as the Bollinger Bands go, that I have heard multiple times, is that the Bollinger Bands basically create a channel, and that channel is the top band, lower band. When price action breaks the lower line or the upper line, that is a sign that it has hit overbought or oversold territory, and the pair or the stock should rebound like a rubber band and try to make its way back to the center line. The center line is kind of an average, the line that the path that it wants to follow. And so basically we look for a break below. So if we're looking at right here, a break below, and we would then enter the trade, and we would ride that trade as it makes its way back to the middle band. As you can see already, I do not have high hopes for Bollinger Band, but staying true to our word, we're going to put it to the test. Unfortunately, let's see, how are we going to do this? The problem that I have with the Bollinger Band, I'm going to say this before we even get started, is that, so this candle here breaks, then this candle breaks, then this candle breaks, then this candle breaks. Would that be entry, 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 entry? I'm not going to do it that way because I think that's a little bit unfair to Bollinger Bands. Let's try to give it the best opportunity that we can. So let's do the first candle that breaks. We wait for it to stop us out if it goes, against us. Once it goes against us, the candle that it stops us out on, the next candle we will pick up on. So if that next candle is breaking the band, that would be another entry. If it isn't, then we will just follow along until the next candle breaks the band. That will be our new entry point from there. Hope all that makes sense. It's a little challenging when testing Bollinger Bands here on backtest, but we are going to get to it. Now, Bollinger Band, of course, gives us, there's our first break below. That would be a short signal. And I do believe that it turned right around and stopped us out. Sure did. The Bollinger Band in theory helps to, I'm not going to quite call that a break. That's so close on the line. Don't know if I would have gotten an alert from TradingView actually saying that it broke and closed below that line. So we'll, we'll again, we'll give it the benefit of the doubt. We won't take that one. So the advantage of using Bollinger Bands is that, in theory, it should be filtering out the choppiness of the market. And so that's one reason why I think I done made my first mistake here. Let me actually go back and look at this, because this would have been a winning trade actually. We're switching mind frames here. When it breaks, we're looking for it to rebound, not continue forth. So I'm used to trend trading, not reversal trading, which is kind of what the Bollinger Band does here. It's more of a reversal indicator. And so, we'll be nice. Let's do this. Let's give it that one. I mean, that's right on the line, but let's give it a win there. That's a win there as well. Anyway, so back to what I was saying. Hypothetically speaking, it helps to filter out the choppiness. That's one of the things that always kind of enticed me about Bollinger Bands, is that it acts as a filter to kind of keep us out of that whipsaw back and forth that we run into with many indicators. That's one of the reasons why I always kind of gravitated towards using the Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands actually are not doing too bad at this point. They're going to make a liar out of me. That one did not work out very well. What was that? 165. Boy, that is close there. Let's see. So 171.69 is the open of that candle. The low of this candle is 170.01, which stopped us out with a mere pips. It's always painful when that happens, because then it turned around and shot up from there. It's always painful to get stopped out by literally 2 or 3 pips. Then watch your trade turn around and run in the opposite direction. Nothing more frustrating. And Bollinger Bands are doing really good, actually. Let's see here. That one was definitely a break there. Nope, we are at the end of the year, right there. Okay. Well, let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of 12 trades, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, alright, it definitely met the 60%. It does look like that. I didn't think it was going to do quite that well, to be real honest with you. I have played around with Bollinger Bands before, and I don't think I've actually sat down and calculated the win-loss ratio. So I am a little surprised. Bollinger Bands. So Here is my main issue with Bollinger Bands. I am not a reversal trader. I am a trend trader. I don't like trading reversals because it often caps your potential. Very rarely in reversal trading will you get into a trade and catch a good long trending run and be able to ride it out the entire time. Often what you see, and especially in the case of the Bollinger Bands, is that you will get this entry, boom, you won, bam, it turns around and takes back off. And that's often, you just see this over and over. I mean, here, it broke the lower band, ran back in that direction, but then ultimately stopped around the middle line and turned around and started going back down. This definitely would have hit first take profit, but would have stopped you out break even. I've said this before on multiple other videos, and that is your break even trades, the ones that you hit first profit target, then get stopped out break even. You will find that those basically cover your losing trades. It is the long, drawn out, and you won't get tons of these, but the ones you do get are the ones that will put the profit in your account. Those are the ones that will grow your account. They'll put money in your pocket. They will really allow your account to grow, a significant amount. While the, the break even take profit trades will basically break, will basically be break even when it comes to your losing trades. And so the Bollinger Band, it is a reversal indicator. That's just what it is. It was set up to call reversals. Very similar to like the RSI, for example. Anytime you start to look for overbought, oversold, and take an entry in the opposite direction. So, for example, when it goes overbought, you take a short position, or when it goes oversold, you take a long position. Anytime you have an indicator that goes overbought and oversold, and you are taking positions, against that overbought, oversold, then you are almost always reversal trading. So what you're doing, you're looking for the quote unquote overbought signal and expecting that it is going to then turn around, reverse course, and go back in the opposite direction because it has, lost its momentum. But like I said, you will find that at the end of a year's time, or the end of a significant amount of time, reversal trading just is not going to grow your account, in any significant manner. You end up having to have stop losses that are so tight compared to your take profits, or take profits that are so loose, large, compared to your losses. that you will end up getting stopped out a lot, way more than you want to. And so I've seen this happen. I've played with these systems. I've tried them. I've developed them myself. I've traded them, and they don't work. Unfortunately, it doesn't. When you start setting a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, your stops and your targets are too tight, and you are going to occur more losses. Now, as you occur more losses, it's not going to benefit your account. It's actually going to hurt your account more. So yeah, I mean, with all that being said, the Bollinger Band, I'll put it onto our list because it passed the test. But I will note that it is giving reversal signals. It has been my opinion, it has been my experience that that is not what we're looking for. Again, we are keeping an open mind in this channel. We are trying things, we are thinking outside the box, and so, we're not gonna go against what we're doing here and say, well, it met the threshold, but it's a reversal indicator, and so we're not gonna keep it. We'll keep it, we'll play with it, we'll tinker with it when the time comes, and we will see if we can't get something out of it that is useful. Maybe adding it to the system in a specific way that that helps us out. Who knows? So yeah, that's about it for now. That's the Bollinger Band. That's what I think about it. That's why I've never liked it, and it is not in my trading system. And yeah, we'll go from there. So all right, everybody, we are going to call the video here. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, all right, everybody, I will see you on the next video.